Kevin was 14, and his bike was more than just a ride. It was his escape, his adventure, his way of feeling alive. He'd race the wind, discover new streets, and forget about everything else. But one afternoon, the chain snapped, the wheel twisted, and just like that, his freedom was gone. His parents couldn't pay to fix it, and for days the broken bike sat untouched in the garage, like a dream put on pause. But Kevin wasn't ready to let it go. He borrowed tools from a neighbor, watched hours of repair videos, and slowly figured it out. The first fix was rough, but it worked. Friends started asking for help with their bikes. Before long, Kevin had a garage full of bikes, a small notebook of appointments, and grease-stained hands that told a new story. What started as one repair turned into a skill. A skill became a service. And years later, that service grew into a local bike shop, one built on determination, not dollars. Now Kevin teaches kids just like him how to fix what's broken and build something new. That broken bike didn't hold him back. It moved him forward in a way he never expected. Sometimes the thing that breaks you open is the thing that builds you up. If Kevin's journey reminded you that every setback can become a skill, hit like and subscribe for more stories of quiet victories.